Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a fun video. We are going to be going shopping again. We're going to be going to Winners and doing some makeup shopping. Now, if you live in Canada, you'll be familiar with Winners. At Winners, basically they have a ton of affordable name brand items. And in particular, what the section that I love the most is the beauty section. You can find so many great deals there that are 100 times cheaper than Sephora. They also have affordable clothing. So let me know next time if you want me to do a clothing haul. But we're going to be going to the beauty section as per usual. So let's get headed over there and we'll see what we can find. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed shopping with me at Winners. I'm going to show you guys my haul. In this basket, I've got a few things that I purchased that I couldn't pass up. I purchased the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick and the shade is Veronica. It's this color over here. This was only $7. It was on sale. Now, typically these lipsticks can retail for, I believe it's about 20 something dollars at Sephora. I'll find the price and insert it here. That's in Canadian dollars. For liquid lipsticks, these last really well and you save so much money buying this at Winners for the same quality. And I think that's such a great deal. For the next item that I purchased was this Kat Von D liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Madrid. This was actually on sale for $5.99. Super, super affordable. I'm gonna open the box and show you the color. It is this color here. You can see it there. And I will definitely be wearing this in the fall, winter, and that is such a good deal because typically it's about $24 at Sephora. And one of the things that I saw, this wasn't on the sale section. This is the regular price at Winners, but it's still cheaper than Sephora. This was the Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer by Too Faced, and this is in the shade medium. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and it was only $12.99. I think that's such a good deal, that shade over there. And I would definitely use this for my under eye. And the last thing that I purchased was the Anastasia Beverly Hills powdered bronzer in Rich Amber. This shade over here. And there, you see that's a beautiful shade over there. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and enjoyed coming shopping with me. I honestly highly recommend going to Winners if you're looking for affordable deals on name brand items. This is not a sponsored video. I just really love shopping at Winners, and especially with makeup, you can find so many good deals that are normally super expensive at your local beauty stores like Sephora, Ulta, all that stuff. Have a look at Winners and see if maybe they carry something that you've been looking for. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!